Welcome to our podcast. I am Nazakia.
And I'm Dana, and today we're talking about a pretty serious topic like climate change and what could happen if it gets really, really bad.
Yeah, we are calling this episode Apocalypse's Worst Case Scenarios of Climate Catastrophe. But don't worry, we'll explain everything in a simple way.
We have all noticed how the weather is changing. Floods, wildfires, stronger storms, and hotter summers.
And scientists say that if we don't slow down global warming, things could get out of the control and temperatures might rise by 4 to 6 degrees Celsius in the end of this century.
And that don't sound like much, but a few degrees even can destroy our planet. And I think some places can go like too hot to live in, like the Middle East, South Asia, and Africa.
And in some areas, people wouldn't survive in the outside, even in the shade, because unless they have air conditioning all the time.
Let's look at some worst things that could happen.
First of this, it is food problems. Too much heat, not enough rain, and the extreme weather could destroy the crops. And that means not enough food, higher prices, and even hunger.
And the second, sea levels could rise if the polar ice melts. Big cities near the coast, like New York, Shanghai, and London, could flood, and millions of people might lose their homes.
A third problem it is mass migration. People will leave areas that are too hot or dangerous, and that could cause big problems, big social and political problems, and maybe even conflicts.
And the fourth problem it is nature could collapse. Forests might die, animals could go extinct, and some coral reefs might disappear from the forever.
This is because of us, humans, because we are burn a lot of fossil like coal, oil and gas, and we cut down a lot of trees, and we consider too much of waste.
And many governments and companies don't want to make real changes because they care more about money than the environment.
But the truth is, if we don't act soon, we are in the damage situation.
And it's not just coastal cities that are at risks. Entire island nations like Maldives and Kiribati may disappear entirely beneath the sea within decades. This leads to not only the loss of homes, but also the disappearance of unique cultures and ways of life.
Many scientists warn about current global adaptation. Efforts are far behind what's needed. Countries with limited resources will suffer most, and despite contributing the least to global emissions, climate justice become an urgent climate issues.
And the food chain is deeply interconnected. The disappearance of one species can trigger a cascade of extinctions. And for example, if bees and other pollinators continue to decline, crop yields could fall and threatening global food supplies.
And also forests, coral reefs, wetlands, These are natural carbon sinks and biodiversity hotspots. As we lose them, we not only accelerate climate but also remove the natural systems that help regulate our environment.
Yes, there is still hope. If we use clean energy more, like wind and solar, also we can protect forests and recycle more.
And even small actions will matter because we can use less electricity, use less plastic, talk to friends about climate changing, or just support green projects.
So, and if we can all work together, we can still change the future.
Yeah. And thanks for listening. We hope this episode helped you understand these risks and why it is so important to care.
And let's protect our planet. It's the only home we have. And thank you for listening to our podcast. And that was Dana
And Nazirke.
thank you.
Thank you. Bye.